Hello, magandang buhay. Wikipedia 1126 is street foods at Fujairah. What? There is street foods at Fujairah? Yes. Available po where we have the basketball games during weekends. That is Friday and Saturday. It is located, the basketball tournament is being held at Al-Ali Club Stadium, Fujairah. Ayan, you can come and enjoy watching the basketball games and at the same time, tumikim ng mga street foods, Filipino street foods. Ayan. There are so many variety of foods that they sell here. Merong fishball, kikiam, kwek-kwek. They have also sagot gulaman, ice candy, halo-halo, french fries, turon, ukoy, siomay, mga kakanin, and many more. So, come, enjoy every weekends. Manood ng basketball games at kumain ng mga yummy street foods only here at the basketball court, Fujairah. Al-Ali Club, Fujairah.